I'm Skylar, and I was just going to talk about the difference between gaming on an iPod or gaming on an iPad for a second. On an iPad, at least the new iPad, you have a dual-core A5X processor, which actually has quad-core graphics processing. And that means that you see a significant difference in the speed and fluidity with which complex 3D graphics like this render. This is Infinity Blade. Infinity Blade has awesome graphics. It was created in the Unreal Engine, and it just looks sweet on an iPad with Retina display. On an iPod Touch, you don't have nearly the same processing power, and you don't have the same size display, obviously. You've got a 3.5 inch, I think, on the older iPod Touch, and only an A4 processor. On the new iPod Touch that's slated to come out in October 2012, we'll have an A5 processor that's dual core, so actually the same chip that's in iPhone 4S. It still won't have the same kind of horsepower as a new iPad. So if you're looking for a really sweet gaming experience, I might lean toward an iPad, but there is something to be said for the portability of an iPod Touch. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.